Among humanity's most colorful harvests, few crops have transformed our world quite like the tomato. Tomorrow's farms will depend not only on fertile land, but on intelligence, precision, and sustainability. Every tomato plant is connected to a network capable of understanding its needs before they arise. From orbit, intelligent systems oversee the future of food production on a planetary scale. Every second, millions of calculations help determine the perfect conditions for tomorrow's harvest. Beneath every harvest lies an invisible world of science and precision. Each morning, intelligent machines begin their silent patrol over one of humanity's most valuable crops. Advanced imaging technologies reveal patterns of growth invisible to the human eye. Every greenhouse now exists in both the physical world and its intelligent digital counterpart.
Tomorrow's harvest combines the ingenuity of humanity with the precision of machines. And with the rising sun, a new harvest begins. The harvest begins not with human hands, but with intelligence. Artificial intelligence can now determine the perfect moment to harvest each individual fruit.
Inspired by nature itself, these robotic hands are designed to be both strong and remarkably gentle. Connected through intelligent networks, these machines operate as a unified agricultural workforce. Every decision is informed by an ever-changing understanding of the environment. Harvesting and transportation now occur simultaneously in a seamless flow of automation. Unlike traditional harvesting methods, intelligent systems recognize that patience is often the key to quality. Every harvest adapts continuously to the world around it.
For these machines, the passing of day into night changes nothing. For the first time, humanity can witness its harvests unfolding simultaneously around the world.
This is not merely the harvest of a crop. It is the beginning of a new era in agriculture. Long before the first tomato is harvested, intelligent systems begin observing the world from above. Artificial intelligence can identify subtle changes in plant health days before they become visible to the human eye.
Every greenhouse now speaks through data, revealing patterns hidden within millions of observations. On the ground, robotic scouts verify what intelligent systems have already predicted from above. The future of agriculture depends upon understanding the invisible world beneath every plant. What once required laboratories and days of analysis can now be achieved in moments beside the crop itself. Together, these machines form a collective intelligence capable of observing every plant simultaneously. Timing has become one of artificial intelligence's greatest strengths. By understanding its environment, tomorrow's farm prepares itself for every possibility.
Millions of observations are transformed into decisions that shape the harvest ahead.
Together, they form the nervous system of the farm of tomorrow.
Across the world, a new generation of machines is transforming the way humanity gathers its food. Every tomato is evaluated individually, ensuring that only the finest fruit continues its journey. Inspired by the human hand, these machines combine strength with remarkable sensitivity. Connected through intelligence, these machines work together as a single agricultural ecosystem. Artificial intelligence allows every movement to adapt continuously to the world around it. Within every machine, countless decisions are made each second in pursuit of perfection. Harvesting and transportation have become part of a single continuous process. Protected by intelligent infrastructure, tomorrow's farms remain resilient in the face of an unpredictable climate. Unlike their creators, these machines continue their work long after the sun has set. For the first time, humanity can observe its harvest unfolding across an entire planet. These are more than machines. They are the caretakers of tomorrow's harvest. The future of agriculture will not belong to humans or machines alone, but to their partnership. With every observation, intelligent systems deepen our understanding of the living world. Their touch is delicate enough to preserve even the most fragile harvest. Every robot has a purpose within this growing ecosystem of automation. Even maintenance has become an invisible part of the harvest itself. Every greenhouse now exists simultaneously in the physical and digital worlds. No harvest is complete until every possible resource has been preserved. Technology does not diminish human capability, it extends it. Even as the day comes to an end, intelligent guardians remain on watch. Tomorrow's farms may not only feed the world, they may also power themselves. Together, they represent the next chapter in humanity's timeless relationship with the harvest. The journey of every tomato extends far beyond the vine from which it was picked. Connected intelligence transforms countless individual actions into a seamless process. Each tomato begins a carefully protected journey through one of the most advanced food networks ever created. Tomorrow's transportation systems will be every bit as intelligent as the farms they serve. Artificial intelligence ensures that every shipment arrives with extraordinary speed and precision. Even the most isolated harvests are now connected to the global supply chain. At every stage of the journey, automation preserves both freshness and efficiency. Every shipment is guided by a constantly evolving understanding of the world. Modern agriculture no longer ends at the edge of the greenhouse. It extends across entire continents. The harvest of one nation may soon become part of another nation's meal. In an interconnected world, every harvest becomes part of a story shared by all humanity. Before reaching tables around the world, every tomato must first prove its quality. Modern vision systems can inspect food with extraordinary speed and precision. Every tomato is evaluated according to standards refined by generations of agricultural science. In less than a second, artificial intelligence makes decisions once entrusted to entire teams of inspectors. Quality is no longer measured in samples, but across the entire global harvest in real time. Within moments, machines reveal the hidden characteristics of every shipment. When anomalies appear, intelligent systems respond immediately and without hesitation. Every movement is mirrored in a digital world designed to optimize the physical one. Even preservation has become an intelligent process guided by data and automation.
In the future, trust in our food will depend as much upon transparency as it does upon quality.
Every tomato now carries with it a complete record of its journey, from vine to destination.
After passing inspection, the harvest enters a world designed to preserve perfection.
Every movement within the warehouse is orchestrated by artificial intelligence.
Intelligent preservation ensures that quality survives long after the harvest is complete.
Tomorrow's warehouses will not merely store food, they will understand it. Before continuing their journey, each tomato is carefully prepared for the world beyond the greenhouse. Every package is inspected before it begins its journey across the globe.
Each shipment is already connected to a global network of distribution.
Sustainability has become an engineering principle rather than an aspiration. While humanity sleeps, intelligent systems continue their work without interruption. The final stage of preparation is completed with extraordinary speed and precision.
From a single vine to millions of tables, the journey of the tomato continues.
Every harvest begins a journey that reaches far beyond the greenhouse where it first grew. Modern transportation has transformed local harvests into global resources. At the meeting point of land and sea, intelligent infrastructure connects continents.
Artificial intelligence now guides the movement of food through some of Earth's most challenging environments.
For the first time in history, humanity can observe its food supply as a living planetary system. Every shipment is guided by an evolving understanding of human needs.
The final stage of the journey may be the one most familiar to us all.
Across every culture and continent, the tomato continues to shape the flavors of humanity. Resilience has become one of the defining characteristics of tomorrow's food supply. The movement never stops, because neither does humanity's need for nourishment. What began as a single fruit on a vine has become part of a story shared by the entire world. As humanity looks toward the future, the story of the tomato is only beginning. Tomorrow's cities may one day grow much of their food within their own boundaries. Artificial intelligence is redefining where life can flourish. The technologies developed on Earth may one day accompany humanity to entirely new worlds.
Food production may eventually become an achievement measured not by nations, but by civilizations.
One intelligence, connected across worlds, ensures that no community is left without nourishment. Technology and nature need not compete. They can evolve together.
The true measure of innovation is found not in machines, but in the lives they improve.
From the first seeds planted by our ancestors to harvests among the stars, our story has always been one of adaptation and discovery. And so, the journey of a single tomato reminds us that the future is not something we inherit,